Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. After getting the knowledge of KVL and KCL and the knowledge of equivalent resistance calculation in series and parallel, now we will solve some problems based on this. Okay, so first take this problem that has been asked in ES 2004 and ES 2011. It says that three parallel resistive branches are connected to DC supply. What will be the ratio of branch current I1, I2, I3 if branch resistances are in ratio R1, ratio R2, ratio R3 that are in ratio 2, ratio 4, ratio 6. Okay, so this is very easy question. We know that currents in parallel branches are in inverse ratio of resistance. So I1 ratio I2 ratio I3 will be equals to, that is inverse ratio of resistance. So what is inverse ratio? That is 1 upon 2 ratio 1 upon 4 ratio 1 upon 6. Okay, or we can say that the currents are in ratio. If we multiply all these three by 12, then we get that is equals to 6 ratio 3 ratio 2. Okay, so this is the ratio of currents. Now take this question that has been asked in ES 2016. It says that n resistors each of value R when connected in series they offer 50 ohm resistance. Okay, so n resistances when connected in series, then equivalent resistance is equals to 50 ohm is given, and that is equals to n into R. Okay, now second part says that when connected in parallel, so when these resistance R are connected in parallel, then effective resistance value is 2 ohm. So when n number of resistances are connected in parallel, then equivalent resistance is equals to 2 ohm, and that is equals to R by n. I already told you, when n equal resistors are connected in parallel, then equivalent resistance is equals to R by n. So from this we can say that here n is equals to R by 2. From this n is equals to R by 2. Okay, so when we put R by 2 equals to n here, then we get 50 is equals to R by 2 dot R. So from this we get R square is equals to 100 and R is equals to 10. So the value of resistance is 10 ohm. Now see this question that has been asked in ES 2016. In a parallel resistive circuit, opening a branch results in, suppose a circuit is parallel. Okay, for to solve this question we take an example. Suppose equal resistances n of value R are n resistors, such n resistors are connected in parallel. Okay, if then equivalent resistance is equals to R by n. Okay, if one branch is opened, then in that case equivalent resistance is equals to R by n minus 1. It means the denominator decreases when we open a branch, so the net equivalent resistance will increase. So answer is increase. So in a parallel resistive circuit, opening a branch results in increase in resistance. And what is power? See, in parallel resistive circuit, voltage is same across all the resistors. So when voltage is same, then current, there is no effect on current across each resistor. If you open a branch, then net power will decrease because power is additive in nature. So power will decrease. And what about voltage? Here suppose applied voltage is V. Okay, so there is no effect on voltage, so voltage will remain same. Now see this question that has been asked in ES 2016. A short circuit in any type of circuit causes the total circuit. So in case of short circuit, the resistance will decrease. Okay, and dash will increase. Resistance decreases and current increases. Okay, we know that whenever there is a short circuit, it means resistance decrease and current is very high. Short circuit current is very high. That's why current will increase and resistance will decrease. Okay.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.